Hello, parents and guardians. It's unbelievable to think we're upon another open house for our 22-23 school year. Our open house is next Thursday night, September 22nd, from 6 to 7 p.m. During that time, you'll learn about your child's day, meet the teacher, and be able to move about the building. Feel free to come in during any of that time between 6 and 7 in a meet and greet type of format. You'll also get information on your child's school day. Couple of updates that we want to pass on to you. We're really excited. We have a brand new ELA and math curriculum. Whether a child is in kindergarten or fifth grade, they'll receive the same experience and common approach to learning. So we're excited about that. Also at MJT, we expanded for our 4-year-olds to full day pre-K. So students will have an extended day and be able to learn a lot more information as they would be versus our half day. So we're excited for 4-year-olds to be engaging in our full day pre-K. We'll also continue our positive behavior interventions and supports, known as PBIS. Students continue to earn those B-Bucks and be praised for all their behavior in all the areas of our building. We will continue our PBIS ceremonies each month. That is in your MJT weekly. Look for that. And also, we'll be focusing on jobs and career exposures for students during those ceremonies. As always, our mission statement at Granville, we will provide a safe, respectful environment where all students, using their full potential, achieve excellence, develop individual strengths, and become responsible, caring citizens, and will foster the value of lifelong learning. If you'd like to have any other information or any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to our front office. We're always available, and we look forward to seeing you Thursday night. Have a great one.